Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're at a local county fair, and today we're going to check out the Night of Destruction. There's going to be some figure 8 races, some endurance races, so we're going to go check that out. Should be a good time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! And this is Seth Wermesterson. Woo, boy, got some air on that one. For both of your laps combined, we're going to run one at a time. So he's coming across the back stretch now, but he's got a long ways to go yet. Oh, big bumps, with some more noise, a little bit of mud. They added some water. We had a little bit of rain last night. That helped too. He's still going. The big hill. On the slimy track right there in the corner, they said that would add a little bit to that wall, and it sure did. Nick, it worked. Good thinking there. Good air off the front. He's hanging on tight. One more corner, and he's got to make the jump over the boat here in the center, guys, and that's going to be the finish line right there in the center of the air. So let's see what Seth Wermesterson can do. Oh! That is awesome. 1, go! Mark Bridges. Lightning McQueen, big bounces coming around here. We'll see if the grease gets in the corner too, if it's going to kiss him into the wall or not, but I think... Three more jumps to the front that he's going to throw, and then he's going to big jump over the center here for the finish line. He's got another gear, do you, Dave? But we're going to see if he's going to save it for this big center jump here on the finale. Go, Wormy! Don't do the last thing that the last Jeep Cherokee did. Hang her a little bit tighter there, Matt, if you can on that first corner. And he did. Attaboy. Number 1, generally. And that was set by Seth. So we've got Mr. Matt Wermesterson coming across the back stretch here, and he's made it through everything so far. Big bump. And that's a big hill, but I think they like that one. Remember, Matt, it's greasy up in the front. Don't kiss that front wall. Both only counts in horseshoes. Oh, come on, Matt. Attaboy. One more corner, he's got the big jump over the boat. Oh, he might have to throw it in reverse connect, maybe not. A little bit of extra gas. Here he comes, and he's going to give it. Oh. I think he learned from the first and second person who went through that. One, go Colin! And for the skid loader operators too, right, Nick? Absolutely, yeah. So again, we appreciate everybody coming out here today. We've got a great turnout of vehicles, and this is a good entertainment, guys. And this again, Colin Fahey and the Generally coming around the backstretch. And he's got a fan club out there tonight. Coming around the front stretch, guys, on to the front, and then he'll have one big corner, one more jump, and he's going to take it easy. Hit the front. We'll have to find, there you go, Colin.
Yeah.
There, he's ready for the last 3 jumps on the front. Okay, I can see this already. Get ready, guys, because he's going to get this next one hard, I'm sure. Lining up for the fishing boat. Here we go, Colin. Oh! go, Gavin.
I'm like, what the world?
We're going to have a good timed one, so we're going to make it so it's the fastest lap here, guys. So here we go again. This is going to be Gavin Fahey coming around the backstretch here. He just found the mud hole. He's got 3 more jumps, I believe, on the backside. He's got the big hill, and then he's got the front stretch to go yet. Get it higher than my brother. Watch this. But he's still got it. This is Gavin. Here we go, Gavin. Oh boy. Pretty sweet gold rims on that, huh? Come on, Gavin. He's lining it up. He's gonna hit her. Oh boy, that's gonna hurt. He did beat his brother in 1 minute. Go! And we got the stool up. I'm not sure if you saw that or not. Looking pretty good so far. Oh, that must have hurt a little bit. Coming into the corner. Oh, pretty good turn. The corner so far. This truck looks like it might hold in half here pretty quick. Yep. 1 more to go here, guys. You got the big truck over the boat. Here we go, again right there. Oh, and nice finish there. Whoa. Go, Jeff Krang. Street lady. Makes them stronger that way if they've got the kinky stuff, so why not? Coming onto the front stretch here, and he's going to get that wall. There he goes. He just left a little bit more. Yeah, Ray is on to the final stretch here over the boat. Oh boy. Go! Having a little party back here by himself so far, but he's getting around the track really good. Coming on the back stretch. Oh, there he hit that mud hole real hard though. Oh, that one even harder yet. Oh boy, he just about missed the hill. Holy fucking. Wow. Coming on to the front stretch, guys. Mark Ferber, and there's the wall. Ooh. There goes the tire. Who needs that anyways, Mark? Let's keep on going. Come on, Mark, you can do it. You're so, there you go. Come on, guys, you're coming on to the final stretch here. Let's get it on. Come on, Mark, we're loving it. Here we go. What do you got to lose? Inside your bumper. Attaboy. Mark Ferber. Hit him, Keith. Keith just got one hand on the wheel, no big deal. This is a Sunday drive. I got this covered, guys. Oh, a little bit of air on that, though. So the bottom of that, you wouldn't make it. But I tell you, so far he's going okay. He's taking it kind of easy, but he's not holding it all back either. But there was a big bump. Still just one hand on the wheel, I think, huh? Coming up to the big hill in the back. A little bit more center than the last guy was on this track. Well, there were some parts. Coming around the last corner onto the front stretch here, guys. Easy Keith, it's kind of greasy there. That's going to leave a mark. Yep. Here we go. Let's see. Can you finish this one? You got this, Keith. Oh, he's got some parts on the inside falling down, too. Let's see what we're blocking his visibility. That's what we're gonna call, that's what's blocking him, guys, and so he's going a little bit slower just to make sure that he can get through this track. Yeah, you bet. No help on the tire on the driver's side front, but here we go, Pete. Oh, even a quick go! Going kind of easy the second time around. That tire, a little bit of a shifter issue, and he physically has to hold it in the gear the whole entire time, otherwise it's going to come out of gear. So he's got a little extra step to take while he's driving, something else to focus on. So good for these guys to figure out what's going on and to be able to continue in the contest. So Luke Steinhoff, he says, here we go. There goes the headlight, but who cares? Keep going, Luke. They won't get you a ticket for that, just keep driving. One more corner here, guys, and we got the final jump. And get ready, because he's not going to hold back here, guys. Luke Steinhoff. Nice job, Luke. 1 minute, 23. 1. Zach Wellnoff. On to the back stretch here. He's got the little jump there, he's got the big hill, there goes some parts underneath. We don't need those marks, just keep going. Just remember when you get to the front stretch, not so hard into the corner. I think he remembers. That corner, it got him again, but not completely. He was able to get out this time, so he's doing good. Mark Wellnoff. Okay, coming on to the final jump here. Mark Wellnoff. Zach Wellnoff, sorry guys, Zach Wellnoff. Talked to Matt and Rick both earlier, they're brothers. And Rick says, I hope Matt's in front of me because I want to wreck his trailer. So, and Matt just says, I want to wreck something. So, it's going to get closer. You lost your trailer, and it wasn't even your brother's fault. Okay, now we got one hung up here in the middle. That's Mr. Haas, I believe. Yeah, holy bucket. That was almost two, but if you get down and up there. Oh boy. Oh boy. Here we go. He's taking a free ride. He says, I'll just look up here and go. And Matt's kind of stuck in the middle. Rick is still going in here. Oh, sister-in-law, he is after her now. We still have a trailer. We're still getting here again. Here's one. Angie still has the trailer, but Mr. Baby lost his trailer. Rick says, I'm gonna go for it. Oh yeah. Oh, did you see that?
So I want to thank everybody for watching. Be sure to like this video, give me some comments, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We'd love to have you, and we'll see you guys next time.